Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to the daily update of 1000 day challenge. This is day 843, so let's get things started. So things is really coming near towards the end in terms of the 1000 day challenge itself. I'm definitely not extremely happy, or even I would say a little bit towards the set part when it comes to the progress wise. I'm still definitely far from where I want to be, and there's been a lot of things happening as well, both in terms of crypto space, personal life, and also in terms of the trading things that's happening in the background itself. So yeah, but other than that, like what I mentioned, even beyond this 1000 day challenge itself, I still continue to push forward to things. And that's basically how I approach things in life in general. And if you look across in terms of crypto market for today opening itself or weekly closing itself, we do see somewhat like a neutral kind of a sentiment based on this single candlestick. But overall, if you look into the fact that we have a very large swing towards the downside, volume wise, it's not extremely strong. So I do think that further downside is very likely unlikely to be in just yet, and then we are very likely to see further downside. So I still lean towards slightly towards the downside, in which case 14K is very likely to be hit, and that will be a region where I'll be very keen to buy in if we do see a very strong support following suit. And the key thing is that we must see a strong support, which means to say we must close in somewhat like a bullish green candlestick or a bullish green hammer candlestick in order for me to enter, even though price wise we could be near the 16K mark. So the thing is, I do not want to get at the absolute bottom, but I want to see a very clear sign that's it. So something like this kind of a candlestick itself will be much more nicer, but green wise would be a much more clearer kind of indicator in that sense. So in terms of a previous capitulation, we do see is that otherwise we'll see some sort like this. We see a very nice green bullish candlestick. So this is something that we want to see, or even something like this, and then follow suit something like that. But until we form that kind of a green candlestick pattern on the weekly chart itself, it's very unlikely that we could have seen the bottom as of this moment in time. So yeah, so I'll stay a little bit cautious of the market and see how things goes. In terms of holding position wise, nothing has changed. But in terms of short-term position wise, I'm definitely leaning towards the bearish side of things. All right, with that said, I've come to the end of today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to provide your comments below. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye.